Welcome back to Decor Catalogue, your destination for the latest and most inspiring home design ideas. Today's video is all about modern driveway designs because your driveway is the first thing people notice about your home, and first impressions truly matter. Modern driveways focus on clean lines, smart materials, and functional beauty. One of the most popular choices today is concrete driveways, especially stamped or textured concrete. These offer a sleek, minimal look while being extremely durable and easy to maintain. They pair perfectly with modern homes that emphasize simplicity. Another trending option is interlocking pavers. These come in a variety of shapes, colors, and patterns, allowing homeowners to create unique layouts. Pavers are not only stylish but also practical, as they allow proper water drainage and are easy to repair if needed. For a more natural and premium feel, stone and cobblestone driveways are making a strong comeback. When combined with modern landscaping and subtle lighting, natural stone adds elegance and long-lasting charm to your exterior. If you love a green and eco-friendly approach, consider grass block or permeable driveways. These designs blend hard surfaces with grass, creating a fresh, modern look while helping with water absorption and reducing heat. Lighting plays a huge role in modern driveway design. LED strip lights, pathway lights, and recessed ground lights not only enhance safety but also elevate the overall nighttime appearance of your home. To complete the look, many modern driveways are paired with minimal boundary walls, metal gates, and coordinated landscaping for a seamless exterior design. If you found these modern driveway ideas helpful, like the video, subscribe to Decor Catalogue, and let us know in the comments which design you love the most and from which country you're watching. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video with more modern home inspiration.